Welcome to Autoz Time. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the heavyweights in the construction world, the Komatsu D85 Dozer 2026. This powerful machine is built to handle the toughest jobs and is equipped with the latest technology to ensure maximum efficiency on the worksite. Whether you're in the construction, mining, or forestry industry, the D85 Dozer is designed to meet your demands with ease and precision. First up, let's talk about power. The Komatsu D85 Dozer is equipped with a robust engine that delivers impressive horsepower, allowing it to push through the hardest terrain. Its advanced diesel engine complies with the latest emission standards, making it both powerful and environmentally friendly. With this engine, you can expect a combination of raw power and fuel efficiency, giving you the performance you need without compromising on sustainability. Moving on to the design, the Komatsu D85 Dozer is a beast when it comes to handling heavy-duty tasks. The Dozer features a wide blade at the front, perfect for moving large amounts of earth, sand, and debris. The reinforced steel construction ensures that the blade can withstand harsh conditions, whether you're leveling land or clearing a site. Additionally, the Dozer's massive tracks provide excellent traction on uneven and slippery surfaces, giving operators confidence in even the most challenging environments. Komatsu has also packed this dozer with cutting-edge technology to make operations smoother and more efficient. The D85 features an advanced GPS-based grading system that allows operators to make precise movements when leveling or shaping land. This system reduces the need for manual intervention, which can save hours on the job while ensuring a perfect finish. Plus, with automated blade control, the machine adjusts itself to maintain optimal performance, even in varying ground conditions. Operator comfort is another area where the 2026 Komatsu D85 Dozer shines. The cabin is designed with ergonomics in mind, featuring a spacious interior, easy-to-reach controls, and excellent visibility. The seat is fully adjustable, providing maximum comfort during long hours on the job. Additionally, the Dozer's climate control system ensures that operators can work in comfort no matter the weather conditions. Whether it's scorching hot or freezing cold, the Komatsu D85 Dozer is designed to keep you comfortable and focused. Maintenance and durability are critical factors for any heavy-duty machinery, and Komatsu has made sure the D85 Dozer is built to last. The machine is constructed with high-quality materials and reinforced components that are resistant to wear and tear, even under the most intense working conditions. Komatsu's easy-access maintenance panels and centralized lubrication points make routine checks simple and fast, minimizing downtime and keeping the dozer in peak condition. Safety is always a top priority in construction equipment, and the Komatsu D85 Dozer doesn't disappoint in this regard. The machine is equipped with advanced safety features like rear-view cameras, automatic shut-off systems, and rollover protection to ensure that operators are safe at all times. Additionally, the dozer's stability is enhanced by its low center of gravity and wide track base, making it more secure on steep slopes and rugged terrain. In conclusion, the Komatsu D85 Dozer 2026 is a heavy-duty machine that combines power, efficiency, and technology to handle the most demanding tasks. Its robust engine, cutting-edge features, and operator-friendly design make it a top choice for professionals in construction, mining, and beyond. Whether you're pushing through rocky ground or leveling a large area of land, this dozer is up to the task. Thank you for tuning in to Autoz Time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and updates on the most powerful machines out there. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next video.